How to use AI to generate subtitles to your videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Wix website without publishing it. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Wix website. Now that you're here, if you don't want to publish it but you still want feedback from people, you need to simply go ahead and click on side option over here, and from here you can see an option that says get feedback. And once you do that, it will provide you the link of your website. Simply go ahead and click on copy link. And if you want someone to give feedback to your website, you can go ahead and simply share this link with that someone. Now let's see how it looks like if that someone opens this link. Now, if they want to give feedback to your website, you can simply see an option that says add comment, and here they can go ahead and add comments on your website. And once they do that, you will be able to view the feedback without publishing your website. And that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.